Hey boy, what you got on that damn grill? Like a Hellcat.
So guys, today we have our Taurus 22. It's a 9-shot. We're gonna hydro dip it. We're gonna use some of these hydrographic films that I ordered off of eBay. And, we're gonna have fun with it. So first I'm gonna have to take the gun apart. I'm gonna clean it up because it is messed up. But hopefully we'll bring it back. Guys, let's get straight to it. Now guys, I guess the wind is a little disrespectful today, and here I am outside again. So let's get straight to it, man. We're gonna prime everything down, get our base color down. All right, man, everything already primed down. Got to get our base colors. Alright guys, so by the wind blowing, we're just gonna go ahead and heat it right quick. My two little associates said white and blue. Why? Out of all the colors in the universe, they would want to pick white and blue. I mean, I don't care though. Ooh, oh, that's supposed to be looking at it, not me. My fault, y'all. I'm getting excited. Shit, starting to look good out there, bitch. Alright, so we're gonna let it dry. Alright guys, so we finna lay the film in the water. I mean, that's how it look pretty. That's the side I would want on my gun. Or is it this side? My mama always says shiny side down, so lay that on. Alright, I'm a little bit on it. We're gonna get straight to it. Water on out. Get your little air bubbles out. Give it a few minutes, you know. And what you want to do is you just want to shake up your activator, you know what I'm saying? You know, just want to shake up your activator just a little bit. Ooh, that's just nice. Ooh. Okay. Let it sit for a few minutes. I'm gonna grab my gun like this right here, and I'm gonna just go in for what I know. And that's all I know. Yes sir, yes sir. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it off for a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. We're gonna dip the cylinder in the scores, and we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out, man. glubby on. Spray it on down with an activator.
Alrighty.
Alright, man, so everything is done. We're gonna put it back together. Hopefully.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My man did that proper. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-huh.